What's good, y'all? I'm back to back with the pranks. Yes, I am. So I'm finna be doing a sneezing prank on my mom. I'm in the bathroom. I'm finna put the powder in my hand, and I'm gonna just be like, you know what I'm saying? Just make it go everywhere on her. She's going to be pissed, but she will be all right. She's gonna look like a beautiful cloud. It's okay. So y'all spam it up. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to 500. Yes, and thank you to all the subs that we do have and all the love and appreciation that y'all show our channel. We really do appreciate it. All right, I'm finna get into this prank. Be back. All right, so back with Nana Banna, Bufana, Mina.
You better stop!
Yeah.
I'm just kidding with you.
You want me to sing your song?
No, thank you.
And will always love you. Oh, my. That note took it. What you doing? Get on.
Oh, but she pranks me, but she's skating in water enough.
I don't trust him.
He ain't captured right now.
So we finna be trying these lappy tappies. Shake that lappy tappy. That lappy tappy. That lappy tappy.
I don't know.
That lappy tappy.
I really don't know.
Ah.
I think I better open these, y'all.
Yeah. Well, my stomach really hurts.
Okay.
Mama,
There's wildberry banana.
My stomach hurt.
Add some gas. Strawberry kiwi.
Ooh. I feel like I got sneeze or something.
And
Yeah, my nose
mango
is like
passion
burning.
fruit. Ooh, that sounds
And she's just
lovely.
still going on with the video while we just talking. My stomach hurt.
No mango for you? I told you.
And
What
I
you
got
gotta do?
allergies. Spell allergies.
You get banana.
You step.
Here you get strawberry
Y'all
kiwi.
see, she not listen.
I'm going to get my favorite mango.
She no listen. She no listen.
I'm always listening. What's your mama tell you when you have gas? What's that? Oh, you.
Sorry.
Oh. Oh. No.
Stop.
Take it back. Ooh.
I told you I had to sneeze. That's that laryngitis. It's laryngitis.
I'm letting y'all know, when I get her back, it's gonna be epic. She deserves what she get from me. Oh,
Told you it's prank wars around here.
Oh.
The-
That's not bad, though. That's right.
What is wrong with you?
She got a mustache.
You know what?
Payback.
Y'all, and it look. Why these pranks always backfire on me every time?
Cause you
No, don't do that. It's too cold. He trying to get us sick around here. All right, y'all.
Choke me with the powder.
Excuse me.
That's so rude.
What? You got me back.
Oh, face. My hand.
You know what?
Your face.
Yeah.
Y'all like it up because I tried
Let me
to
get it
get
on for
it.
you.
I tried to get You ain't nothing. You just petty.
Ooh, that was good.
Just y'all both just petty.
Hey,
Payback.
that strawberry kiwi, Laffy Taffy is pretty good, though.
Let me try the mango. You know?
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what pranks y'all want us to do next. And we are out. Peace.